राय राधिकाय सदालये कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तदभक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरकृष्णे नमः। वञ्चितोऽस्मि वञ्चितोऽस्मि न संशया विश्वं गौररसे मग्न स्पर्शपि न तरो भवे। कालिन्दितनटतया स्फुरदमन्दवृन्दावनं विहाय लवणाम्बुदं पुलिनपुष्पवाटिं गता जितरुणकपटसुपीतवास हरि तिरोहित निज छवि श्री गौरंग में गति। राधा चिंता निवेशिनं यस्य कांति विलोकिता श्री कृष्ण चरणं वंदे राधालिंगितं विग्रहम्। संसारी अपि संसार वासना बद्ध शृंखला राधा मदाम हृदयं त्यजति व्रज सुंदरी। वृंदाए तुलसी देवी प्रियाय केशव सचा कृष्ण भक्ति करे देवी सत्यवते नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। All together loudly. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare। राधा रमन लाल की जय। So appearance day of Sri Radha Raman in Vrindavan, which is full of all temples, which is full of temples, and Sri Vrindavan, which is non different from the heart of Radharani. अन्य हृदय मन मोर मन वृंदावन मोने वने एक कोरी मानी. Radharani is saying, my heart, my man is Vrindavan. So, what is the speciality of Vrindavan? Not that what Brahmaji has said, not only restricted to what Brahmaji has said in Brahma Samhita, कि चिंतामणि प्रकर सर्व शुकल्प वृक्ष लक्षावितेश सुरधीर विपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मी सहस्र शत संभ्रम सेव्यमानं गोविन्दमादि पुरुषं तमं भजामि. Glories of Sri Vrindavan Dham, where Chintamani are just lying like a stone, where all trees are fulfilling trees, these are fulfilling trees, and all the gopis who are Lakshmi Sarupa, they are serving Krishna with so much love and affection, intimate mood. Okay? But Vrindavan is that abode where the best amongst all the pastimes of Shri Krishna took place. And the best of all pastime is Santi Yadya में प्राज्ञा लीला सस मनोहरा नाहि जाने स्मृते रासे मनो किम दृश्यम भवेद. Brihad Vaman Puran. Krishna is wondering, Krishna is saying, even though I perform many pastimes, Krishna is being Leela Purushottam, but when I think of Ras Leela, I get restless. Because Ras Leela is something which is Prem Leela. And in that Ras Leela, Prem Leela, everyone is there to give their Prem, or everyone is there to serve each other. So, what it has to do with appearance of Radha Ramanji? Who made the appearance of Sri Radharaman? Yesterday we heard appearance of Sri Narsingh Bhagwan. Who was the cause? Prahlad Maharaj. Because of Prahlad Maharaj, Narsingh Bhagwan appeared from pillar. Satyam Vidatum Nijavritti Bhashitam. To make the words of his devotee true, Narsingh Bhagwan appeared from a pillar. Similarly, in parallel to that, Satyam Vidatum Nijavritti Bhashitam. To make the words of the emotions of Shri Gopal Bhatt Goswami comes true, Shri Radharaman manifested from Shaligram. What are those words of Shri Gopal Bhatt Goswami? We're going to hear later. When Narsingh Bhagwan appeared, when Narsingh Bhagwan appeared from the pillar, he was roaring loudly. Ugra Narsingha, Ugra Narsingha, very angry. Whereas when Radharamaji appeared from Shaligram, he's smiling. Krishna is a very beautiful, mild smile. Smith Hasya Murali Manohar, mild smile. And when he's smiling, one can see two teeth of this front teeth of Radharamanji. You have to see with lens. When Shri Narsingh Bhagwan appeared, he appeared as Shodash Bahu, 16 arm. Whereas when Radharamanji appeared, it's 2 arm. Narsingh Bhagwan with 16 arms with weapons. With weapons. Ugra, like sun, effulgent but Ugra Roop. Radharamanji appeared like a Chandra. Today's full moon day, right? Vaishakhi Purnima as a Chandra. What kind of Chandra? Krishna Chandra, Gokula Chandra, Purna Chandra. And that Chandra, which is one as a king, and all other Chandras, 23 and a half Chandras are the servants of that one Chandra. What does it mean? Shri Krishna has 24 and a half moons on his body. The prominent, like a king of moons, is his lotus face. Shri Mukha Chandra Chakora. And all other 23 and a half moons are serving this moon, the beautiful moon-like face of Krishna. Narsingh Bhagwan appeared Ugra. Radharamanji appeared mild smile. Narsingh Bhagwan with 16 arms, with weapons. Radharaman is carrying more weapons, but only 2 hands. What is that weapon he's carrying? Flute. The 16 weapons, 16 arms, Narsingh Bhagwan is holding weapons. That's for killing demons. Those who are in a mode of passion and ignorance. But Sri Radharaman carrying very, very powerful weapon. Actually, not one. He's carrying bow and arrow, and he's also carrying flute. Bow and arrow? That was Lord Ram, isn't it? Yes. But Radharaman is not less. His bow is his 2 eyebrows. And the arrows is his sidelong glance. Neham kim vada? In Gopi Git, Gopis are saying, Neham kim vada? Are you not killing us with your sidelong glances? So Krishna, when he raised his eyebrows and he shoot arrow with his sidelong glances, Then Braj Gopis, they feel unconscious that someone has shooted arrow to them. But this is arrow of love, prema. Whereas Narsimha Bhagwan, he killed Hiranyakashipu physically with his nails, ripped apart his chest, and took his intestine and wrapped around his neck. That was his garland. Similarly, Radharamanji is also like this. He shoot with his arrow, sidelong glance, and instead of rip apart the chest, he shoot arrow right in the core of the heart of the Braj Gopis. Yeah. And shooting arrow there and take out those jewels from those arrows, from their heart with those arrows. And Narsimha Bhagwan wrapped around the garland of what? Intestine of Hiranyakashipu. Whereas Radharamanji, with his sidelong glance, with his with his bow and arrow, shoot the Braj Gopis, especially Radharani, and took the jewel from her heart and wear the garland around his neck. Also, so much similarities. Appearance of Narsimha and appearance of Radharaman. Yeah. So many similarities. But there's something more. Shri Radharamanji is served by Shri Gopal Bhatt Goswami. When Narsimha Bhagwan appeared, Prahlad Maharaj smiling. Yeah. But Gopal Bhatt Goswami is weeping and crying. Who is Gopal Bhatt Goswami? What is his Manjari Swarup? He's a Guna Manjari. Now I try to understand this. All these Manjaris are reflection of the moods of Radharani. Let's say Rupa Manjari. Who is Rupa Manjari? Rupa Manjari is the embodiment, the form of Radharani manifested as a Manjari called Rupa Goswami. Mean Rupa Manjari. Understand? The beautiful form of Radharani manifested as a form, a Manjari, that is Rupa Manjari. That means there is Tadatme. Tadatme. What is Tadatme? Oneness with Radharani. Whatever she goes through, their moods reflect on all the Manjaris spontaneously. What Radharani goes through, any kind of mood, automatically get reflected to the Manjaris. Because who are these Manjaris? Each and every, the mood of Radharani, the smile of Radharani, the Shingar of Radharani, that's all Manjaris. Rupa Manjari, Lavanga Manjari, Vilas Manjari, Shri Jiva Goswami Pad, Rati Manjari. The attachment of Radharani towards Krishna, the attachment is called Rati. Shri Guru Charane Rati. ऐसे उत्तम गति बोलते हैं ना. Rati means attachment, right? The attachment, imagine the attachment of Radharani towards Krishna. Unparalleled, undescribable. No one can describe that. Only Rupa Goswami described that. Only Rai Ramanan can describe this in Rai Raman Samvad directly to Mahaprabhu. And Mahaprabhu is relishing this. Prem, Vivarth, all these high moods. This is attachment, the Rati. So that embodiment of that attachment is Shri Raghunath Das Goswami. And that's why we see Shri Raghunath Das Goswami so attached to Radha Kund. Yasya Radha Priya Vishnu, Tasya Kundam Priyam Tatha. Raghunath Das Goswami too attached to Radha Kund. Because Raghunath Das Goswami is Rati Manjari. His attachment takes the form as Raghunath Das Goswami. Understand? So who is Gopal Bhatt Goswami? Any answer? Huh? Guna Manjari. Right. Thank you. Shri Gopal Bhatt Goswami's Guna Manjari from South India. Young boy served Mahaprabhu and later came to Vrindavan. So what is Guna means? Qualities. The features of Radharani, the qualities of Radharani. The qualities of Radharani consolidated and assume a form, and that is Shri Gopal Bhatt Goswami. Imagine how much, uh, how many qualities would be there in Shri Gopal Bhatt Goswami. He is embodiment of the qualities of Radharani. What are qualities of Radharani? चारु सौभाग्य रेखा दया गंधोन्मादित माधव संगीत परसर विज्ञा रम्य वाक नर्म पंडिता विनीत करुणा पूर्णा विदग्ध पट्टान्विता लज्जाशील सुमर्यादया धैर्य गंभीर शालिनी सुविलास महाभाव परमोत्कर्ष दर्शनी गोकुल प्रेम वसती जगत श्रेणी जगदसा गुरु अर्पिता गुरु स्नेहा सखी पनयति वश Krishna Priyavali Mukhya Santat Ashva Keshava. The 26 qualities of Radharani. Imagine. Everything is there in these 26 qualities. Radharani's humble mood, her expertise in serving Krishna. Achare dhatu chitre pachana vichirna charu charu chittaha. She is so expert in cooking. She is so expert in singing. Gandhon Madit Madhavaga. The fragrance emanating from her body attracts Madhav. Sangeet Parasara Vigya. She's so melodiously singing. Rammevat Narva Pandita. She's Pandit, very learned. She's the one who's teaching parrot what to sing, how to sing. Vineet Karuna Purna. She's so humble and full of compassion. Vineet Karuna Purna. Vidagdha Pattanvita. Lajjashil Su Maryadaya. She always maintain all Maryada. She's always shy in nature. So all these qualities, everything, the qualities of Radharani came as Shri Guna Manjari. Okay, that means, coming to that point, all the pastimes of Radha and Krishna, when Radharani is with Krishna, let us say Nidhuvan, in a secluded place, this intimate pastimes, who have the entrance in that section? Even Lalita Vishaka has no entrance there. Only Rupa Manjari has entrance there. So, while they are in that section where Radha Krishna is manifesting intimate pastimes, these Manjaris are not busy just staring or looking or sneaking what they are doing. They are busy in services, making garlands, making sweet rice, making this, making that, arranging so many things. They are busy in that. But they immediately get all kind of symptoms, ecstatic symptoms, what Radharani is going through be with along with Krishna. Just like there is a verse. Please excuse me, it's little intimate. There's a verse. Anyway, the meaning is, once upon a time, one Sakhi asked Shri Rupa Manjari, "Oh Rupa Manjari, your husband is far away. He's in a foreign land. How can I see? Your lips are bitten." What does this mean? Rupamanjari, that means they are also married. This verse proves this. Your husband is in foreign land. So why Rupamanjari having this symptom? Because of oneness with Radharani. All those symptoms immediately get reflected to the Manjaris. Why I'm saying this? To prove something. To prove what? How Radha Ramanji got appeared. Although we heard this past time, which is true, that Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami was worshipping Shaligram Shila. He got from Gandaki Nadi, from Nepal. He's worshipping with love and affection. But then one a wealthy person came and he offered ornaments, beautiful clothes, and Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami Pad, whose Guna Manjari was in tears to see, oh, my Thakurji is not three-band form. He's only Shaligram. What I have to do with these ornaments and cloths? And how I'm going to decorate? And he started crying. The tears from Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami Pad. Because of his separation and crying. Overnight, the Shaligram appeared as three-band form Radharamanji. Okay. Which is true. But there is one more significance along with this, which has to do something with the moods of Radharani, the moods that reflecting on her maid servants, on the Manjaris. Now we understand. By this we will understand what Mahaprabhu has given to us. Swabhakti Shriyam, which is not something so easy and cheap, for which we need sadhan to attain Bhav Bhakti and then attaining Prema Bhakti, which takes so many births. But ultimately, when one gets Srup Siddhi, then one gets Vastu Siddhi. Imagine. Radha Dasyam. Srila Gurudev always used to tell us. What is the glories of Radha Dasyam? This is the glories you see. Whatever Radharani goes through, immediately get reflected on the Manjaris. That ecstatic moods, transcendental moods. You see? Therefore, Radharani feels joy in meeting, and she also feels tears in separation. And her tears can make one pond, which is called Man Sarovar. You know, in Brajmandal Parikrama, in the guidance of Srila Gurudev for performing Kartik Parikrama, we go to this place called Man Sarovar, very close to Vrindavan, where Radharani in separation from Krishna, walking through this Prem Gali, that same alley that from Rupsnath and Gaudiya, it's called Prem Gali. The conjunction of Prem Gali, Man Gali, Guman Gali. She walks through that Prem Gali and comes to a secluded place, and she crying and crying and crying so much tears that the whole pond, means Sarovar, Man Sarovar, was created with her tears. How is it possible? Many people get confused. So many tears. How is possible? Yes, it's possible. If Radha Kund, which is the liquid form of Sri Radharani, if Jamna Maharani is Parapram Prem Patri Drav Brahma Gatri, the liquid form of what? Vishakha Sati, then why can't this possible that when Radharani cry, a pond can be created with her tears? Man Sarovar. Krishna, in search of Radharani, came to Mansarovar and pacified him. And that's the place, Mansarovar, where Srila Gurudev used to enter in the very dense punja, and Srila Gurudev used to roll in the dust of Mansarovar, rolling around three, four times like this, rolling, and smear all his body with that dust. So important place, this Mansarovar. So what it has to do with Shri Radharaman, appearance of Shri Radharaman? Yes. See the connection. When Radharani is with Krishna and expecting bliss, be with Krishna, along with Krishna, then all the Sakhis also get, all the Manjaris also get bliss reflected on them. But not ordinary, 100 times more in proportion. 100 times more. What is the evidence? Shri Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Govind Lilamrit. सखे श्री राधिका व्रज कुमुद विदुर हलान्य नाम शक्ति सारम श्रीम वल्य दल कृशल्य पुष्प तुल्य आदि सुतुल्य शिक्तमित रस नित्य उलस्यमान अमुष्यम जात उल्लास सत्सेकज शतगुण अधिकम शांति तम न चित्रम it's not astonishing, सखे श्री राधिका व्रज कुमुद विदुर हलान्य नाम शक्ति. Radharani is Haladini Shakti of Shri Krishna. Just like a tree and a creeper is there, wrapped around tree. That's why Radharani is embracing Krishna. In that creeper, there is always some birds, newly fresh birds. That's called Manjaris. When Radharani and Krishna together feel some bliss, the Sakhis, the Manjaris, automatically gets 100 times more bliss what they're going through. Shri Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami has proven this. The evidence is Shri Govind Lilamrit. You can read that, this verse. For now, don't read Govind Lilamrit. Something very high. The lofty pastimes of Radha Krishna, the esoteric pastime of Radha Krishna is narrated there. We can't digest that. But this verse has so much significance, explaining the glories of these Manjaris. So Shri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, who is Guna Manjari, the qualities of Radharani as Shri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, getting reflected, all these moods of joy, happiness, bliss, when she is with Krishna. So imagine, when Radharani is in bliss, that bliss reflects 100 times to the Manjaris. But when Radharani is in separation, and when she is weeping, isn't that separation mood and that tears can also get reflected to the Manjaris? Similarly, as the union get reflected to the Manjaris, similarly the separation, the Vipralam bhav also get reflected to the Manjaris. It can't be one. It has to be all moods all together. Understand? It's just a replica. All moods are going to reflect. So the mood of bliss, and then when Radharani is in separation, the mood of separation, weeping and crying, also reflecting in more proportion in Manjaris. Shri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, Shri Guna Manjari. So in that mood of separation, what Radharani is going through immediately got reflected to Shri Guna Manjari. And in that separation mood, Guna Manjari start shedding tears. Those tears which are getting reflecting directly from Radharani. And when the tear falls from the eyes of Shri Gopal Bhatt Goswami to Shaligram, Radha Ramanji appeared. This is how Shri Radha Ramanji appeared. Imagine. That's the separation mood. So Krishna is Viruddh Dharmashraya. He appeared from the separation mood, from the tears. But when he appeared, she's smiling. Because he's Viruddh Dharmashraya. Understand the point? Understand? Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, if he has not written this verse in Govindamrit, we cannot reconcile this. This is the only point and shlok which can reconcile this. Sakheshi Radhika Brajakumar Vidur Halani Nama Shakti. Radha Krishna manifesting the morning's pastimes. And Radharani is extracting bliss, feeling, relishing that bliss. And again, go very deep into this. Is Radharani serving Krishna only to get bliss from him? No. Otherwise, why Mahaprabhu has to utter this verse? Ashlishya va padaratam pinashtumam. I will only serve you and please you and love you if you give me bliss. Did she said so? No. No. Not at all. You love me or you reject me. Mat pran nastu eva na paraha. Mat pran nag. You are still the Lord of my life. And you are my life. Why is she? If we understand the glories of Radharani, we are not understanding right now. We are just chanting Radhe, 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 Radhe. We are hearing something Radhe, Radhe. But if you go deep into the moods of Radharani, everything of Radharani is to only and only serve Krishna, to please Krishna. Only and only. That's the only purpose. By serving Krishna, her sattvic bhav, 8 transcendental emotions bound to come. It can come in sadhaka. Why can't come to Haladini Shakti Radharani? To be with Krishna all the time. It comes automatically. But is this is what she wanted? No. Otherwise, then why Shri Rupa Goswami Pad in Bhakti Swami Sindhu, he wrote this verse. Ucche Anindam Ucche Anandam Arvinda Lochanam. क्या पता है? Govindam Preksham Aksha Murapi Varshanam Ucche Anindam Anandam Arvinda Lochanam. Means she is cursing those tears, the tears of bliss. The tears when it comes from the eyes of Radharani and eyes get motion and she is not even to see Krishna properly. She is cursing those tears. She is cursing those transcendental emotions. Why are you interrupting me when I am serving Krishna by seeing Krishna? She is not serving Krishna. Krishna sukha lagi kare, Krishna se sambandh. Gopi gandh nahi kam gandh. There is no kam gandh. There is no tinge of any lust in Radharani. Krishna sukha lagi kare, Krishna se sambandh. Only why she is developing relationship with Krishna only to please and give pleasure to Krishna. But it is the nature that from Krishna this reflection will come automatically. And why she is getting this bliss, which is getting reflecting from Krishna, not for herself, to give this to those maid servants who are day and night serving under her guidance to Shri Krishna. That's the only reason she is holding that bliss. She fully aware that when I go through any bliss, it will automatically going to get reflected on all these maid servants who are serving under my guidance day and night. And they are not having any enjoying mood. Even if Krishna is proposing any manjari, the manjari forbade Krishna. Hey, don't, careful, we will complain to Radharani. Such a sacrifice. Krishna is proposing Rupa Manjari. Hey, Rupa Manjari, so beautiful one, let's go. Rupa Manjari, hey, stop. There is no enjoying mood there. Even if Krishna proposed, yes, saying no to Krishna, because their only and only mood and only function is to serve under the guidance of Radharani. That's all. And Jai Jai Radha Krishna Yugal Milan, to unite Radha and Krishna. So what does this mean? When Manjaris are serving Radharani, Radharani is enjoying those services, she is offering those services only to please Krishna. And Tasmin Tushte Jagat Tushtam. When Krishna is pleased, the pleasure get reflect to Radharani. And Radharani is giving all this pleasure, reflecting all this pleasure, distributing all this pleasure to his Manjaris. Understand? So that's why when pleasure can be reflected like this or distributed like this, similarly, the separation mood also goes equally in that 100% more in proportion to Radharani reflecting on Guna Manjari. And when Guna Manjari, she is weeping, means as Gopal Bhatt Goswami, when he's weeping and tears in his eyes, then from Shaligram, Shri Radha Ramanji appeared. That's the appearance of Radha Ramanji. So, Vrindavan, the land of Vrindavan is of Ras Leela. What is from where this word Radharaman appeared? Also from the middle of Ras Leela, in the midst of Ras Leela. There are 7 prominent temples in Vrindavan. Shri Radha Madan Mohan, Govindji, Gopinath, Shama Sundar, Gokulanand, then Damodar, and then Radha Raman. Radha Raman Mero, Radha Raman. From where this word Radha Raman appeared? Again, try to focus. The separation mode of Radharani. Everything was going very good. Krishna played flute, very short. All the gopis came running without even decorating their bodies nicely with ornaments. Parveshyanta bhitva payantam shishupayana shushvanti patim satim ashnasya pasya bhojanam. Giving up all these 9 kind of duties. Serving children, serving husband, decorating, milking cows, and gave up everything. Appeared, he came to Krishna, and so strange. Krishna is saying, Swagatam Mahabhaga, Priyam Kim Karvani Va. Oh, welcome, oh gopis. What brings you here? Very strange, huh? You invite guests home, and when they are at the doorstep ringing bell, and you open the door. Oh, welcome. What brings you here? Hey, Baba, you invited us. Krishna invited, and now gopis appeared there and saying, Priyam Kim Karvani Va. Oh, what brings you here? What can I do for you? Because Krishna didn't want you to have Ras Leela immediately. That is not so much relishable. We want to twist something because he wanted to know what is the mood in the heart of the gopis. What is there is going in the heart of the gopis. If I twist something, I'm going to hear that. And then gopis start singing. But Krishna, he gave association of all the gopis, and he took only one gopi with him. Shri Jayadev Goswami explains in Geet Govinda, Kamsari api sansar vasana bandh shrinkhala, Radha madam hidayam tyajati braj sundarim. Kamsari, one who always gives bliss. Kam means sukham. Kamsari api sansar vasana bandh shrinkhala. He gave up the association of so many beautiful gopis. He gave up, but he only took one with him. Who's that one? Radha Rani. Where? In his heart. Radha Ram Hidayam Tyajati Vraj Sundarim. He put Radha in the heart. Radha Rani in the heart and gave up the association of all other gopis. What is the Surup of Mahaprabhu? Antar Krishna Bahir Gaura. Inside is Krishna and outside is Gaura. What is the Surup of Radharaman? Inside Radharani and outside Krishna. Radha Madam Hidayam. Place Radharani in the core of his heart. I only meditate on Radha. I only focus on Radha. I only chant Radha. Therefore Krishna chant Radhe, 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 Radhe. I have no other purpose. Tumi more Jivana Jivan. Kaviraj Goswami says, and Kurukshetra, Radharani, you are life of my life. I can't survive without you. I can't survive without you. Day and night weeping in Dwarika, in separation of Radharani. So Radha Adam Hidayam Tyajati Vraj Sundarim. Place Radharani in the core of his heart, hidden there. That's Shri Radha Ramanji. That's why when we go to Radha Raman, we don't see Radharani there. Whereas all other Thakurji, all other deities have Radhaji. Radha Madan Mohan, Radha Govindev, Radha Gopinath, Radha Damodar, Radha Gokulanandan, Radha Shamasundar, Radha Damodar, everyone. Where is Radharani with Radha Raman? Only name is there, Radha Raman. But Radharani is not there. Where is Radharani? Radha Nam Hidayam. Yajati Vraj Sundaram. That's why in the Maha Mantra, every day we chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. What is that Ram? Radha Ramaniti Ram. We chanting Radha Raman name every day. And what is the definition of Krishna? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. The second pair. Hare is Sarvochet Hare Krishnasta Chittam Hare Jaso Vedagdi Vistarata Radha Haramata Hare Krishna Shuyate Niyate Harinam Shuyate Niyate Harinam Haririkshanam Ekatani Rahe Kunje Haryam Ten Kathayate. So Hare Krishna, then Hare, and then that second pair Krishna, that's Radha Raman. Anga Shamlis Tamale Tamli Kritu Sham Anga Shamlis Tamale Shamli Kritu Kanchana Shri Radha Ramate Sadar Mata Krishna Nigadate. Shri Radha Ramate Sadar Mata Krishna Nigadate. Most of the time, this is very rare actually. This is very rare. Most of the time, the effulgence, the splendor of Radharani makes Krishna bewildered, and the black complexion of Krishna gets faded, and the effulgence of Radharani, that golden complexion, merged the black complexion in it. So Krishna becomes Radha. But sometimes it also happens that effulgence, Anga Shamlis Tamale, that black complexion, the splendor of Shri Krishna, the black complexion prevails, And the golden complexion of Radharani get merged in that, means Krishna embrace Radharani and merge that golden complexion in that Sham complexion. That's Radha Ramanji. Means the gold black complexion is what? How to explain this? It's taken over the golden complexion. Means Radharani is in the heart and Krishna covered Radharani. I don't want to show anyone that valuable jewel. I don't want to show anyone that I am precious to her. I am beloved of Radharani. I protect her from every other vision. So Radha Adam Hidayam. Shri Radha Raman. Ang Shamli Stamale Shamli Krita Kanchana. Radha Krishna Nigadate. That's the second pair, Krishna, from Hare Krishna and Hare Krishna. We chant every day the name of Radha Raman. Anvay Vyatirek. Direct, indirect. Direct how? Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And in other way, the second pair of Krishna. Shri Radha Ramate Sadharmata Krishna Nigadate. Radha Ramate. One who is Radha Ramate. One who is hmm, performing amorous pastimes with Radha Rani. Radha Ramate Sadharmata Krishna Nigadate. That is the nature and that is the name of Shri Krishna. Shri Radha Raman. Understand? I've not completed yet. In that Ras Leela, when Krishna gave up association of everyone, he brought Radharani alone at Shingarvat. And Kesh Prasadam Vatra. If you know the map of Vrindavan from Sri Radharaman temple to Shingarvat, how far is it? Only just maybe 1 minute walk. Now it is 1 minute walk because of many streets. And streets are also bent like Krishna, going like this, not straight. But 5,000 years back, nobody knows. It's just a straight walkway, maybe 30 seconds. Where Shri Krishna massaging the feet of Radharani at Seva Kunj, where Shri Krishna is Kesh Prasadantavatra, is decorating the hairs of Radharani. And Radharani immediately heard, oh, I'm hearing my gopis are searching for us. What are gopis are doing? Gopis are imitating the pastimes of Krishna, associating with Krishna in the form of imitating the pastimes of Krishna, because in the separation of Krishna, the gopis were weeping. And who can specify them? Either Krishna Nam or Krishna pastime, which is in parallel, which is same as Krishna, which is same potency as Shri Krishna. The name Krishna, Abhinna Nama Namani, Nam Chintamani Krishna, Chaitanya Ras Vigraha, Abhinna. The pastimes of Krishna, Krishna is Ananta. The pastimes is also Ananta, not different. So the gopis were specifying themselves by imitating the pastimes of Krishna. Putana, Leela, Shaktasur, killing Shaktasur Leela, holding Govardhan Leela, they're taking their shawls on their pinky and holding like this, imitating the pastime of Krishna. And in other words, embracing Krishna in the form of embracing the pastimes of Shri Krishna. Understand? Embracing Krishna in the form of embracing the pastimes of Krishna. And in this way, they are able to pacify themselves in that separation, intense separation of Shri Krishna. That was what gopis were doing. But what is Radharani doing here? Krishna is decorating Radharani, serving Radharani. And Radharani heard Oh, my gopis are coming. Oh, they should come immediately, because this is the best scene what they will see here, that how Krishna is Anukul Nayak, is submissive to me and is decorating me, is massaging my feet. Who is going to enjoy this pastime? Radharani say, only my gopis are. Only they can enjoy this pastimes. These pastimes are meant for them to enjoy. That's why Shri Ramanand Rai, Shri Rai Ramanand, he told to Mahaprabhu, when Mahaprabhu asked this question, how one can get entrance into this, in this realm of amorous pastimes of Shri Radha Krishna? What Shri Ramanand Rai said, Sakhigan e lila pushti kabunai, Sakhigan vistaria sakhi aswadai. Huh? Sakhigana e lila pushti kabunai. Without the assistance of Sakhis, means the gopis, these pastimes of Radha Krishna can never get nourished. Who is expanding this pastime? Only Sakhis are the cause of expansion of these pastimes. And who is relishing? Only Sakhis are relishing these pastimes. Now Radharani is alone with Krishna, and she is wondering, where are my Sakhis? They should come here right away, seeing how Krishna is decorating my hairs, how is specifying my man. They are the one who's going to enjoy this. They are the one who's going to feel pleasure with this. But I'm hearing they're coming here. I'm hearing this. Therefore, I should say something to Krishna. And she said, Sacha mene tadatmanam varistam sarvyoshitam hitukopi kaman aso bhajate priya. Tatto gatvam varam desham dhritkesham abrvit na pare ham chalitum nae mam yatra te mana evam uktam priyam aha skand urayate miti tatasya antarday Krishna sa vadhu anvataptai. Oh Krishna, Sacha mene tadatma varistam sarvyoshitam. Krishna gave up all other gopis and only brought Radharani with him. Tattva gatva vanam desham dhritam kesham abrvit. Krishna took Radharani in the middle of that. Vrindavan, in the kunjas, and decorating her hairs, serving her. But Radharani heard gopis coming here. They should come immediately. And then she's wondering, what if Krishna will just take me like this? My gopis, they're feeling so much separation. I should wait here. I should do something that Krishna should stay here for some more minutes, some more seconds, some more moments. Meanwhile, the gopis will be here and they will enjoy and relish this pastime. So Radharani said, Na pareham chalitum, nai mam yatrate pena. Oh Krishna, I can't walk further. I'm helpless. I'm so tired. I can't walk further. Why is she saying this? Why is she saying this? Understand? Only because of her gopis. And moment Krishna bent, he said, Radhe, sit on my shoulders then I will take you. Moment Krishna bent down and Radharani was about to sit on the shoulder. Krishna heard also gopis coming. Krishna also heard. And he wondered, oh, this is not correct. If gopis will come here right now, they will all feel jealousy, envious towards Radha, thinking, Radha, you are so self-centered, you are so selfish. We all started performing Ras Leela together and you took Krishna along with you in the Kunja. They will all going to blame my Radha. Krishna is thinking this. I don't want they should blame my Radha. May that all blame come on my head. That I am cruel, that I am hard-hearted, but no blame to come my Radha. Evam uttam priyam skand ara urayate iti tatacha antarday Krishna savadu anvatapte. Moment Krishna was thinking like this, only to save Radharani. You see, that's what I'm telling. Ras Leela is Prem Leela. Radharani is thinking about giving pleasure to the gopis. Krishna is thinking to give pleasure to Radharani. so that no blame to come to Radharani. And Krishna thought, what shall I do? Antardhyan, disappear from there. When Krishna disappeared from there, all the gopis came there and saw Radharani is weeping, her head down like this and weeping. Oh, you see, gopis, see, Radha is there. We thought Krishna only want to take and enjoy Radha, but she's lamenting here so much. She's so glorious. Krishna took her alone. This shows in union she is superior than us. And in separation, again, she's superior to us. We are in a position, in a strength to imitate pastime of Krishna, but she can't even imitate the pastime of Krishna. She's just lamenting, weeping and crying so much and calling out what? The name of Radharaman. What Radha is speaking there? What she's chanting there? Hanath Raman Preshta Kwasi Kwasi Mahabhuja Dasyastik Karpanya Me Sakhe Darsham Sinidhim. Bhagavad 10 Canto. Hanath Raman Preshta Kwasi Kwasi Mahabhuja. Hanath. Ha means alas, lamentation. Hanath. Nath means the Lord of my life. The Lord of my life is not anybody else. Only Krishna. Hanath. Raman Preshta. Raman means one who always like to have amorous pastime with me. Radharani is immediately remembering this. Can you all hear me? Can you hear me? Say yes or no. Okay. Why the host is not saying yes? Anyway. So, Hanath Raman Preshta. Kwasi Kwasi Mahabhuja. Oh, you are Raman. Raman means one who always enjoy amorous pastime with me. That's why Radhani, remembering those pastimes and remembering Krishna and address Krishna as Raman. Anath Raman Preshta. Kwasi Kwasi Mahabhuja. Mahabhuja means the long arm one. What is the mood of Radharani speaking these words? Shri Vishnu Chatur Thakur explains that, oh Krishna, you are Lord of my life. I'm not asking anything from you. I'm not in a mood of enjoying, but I'm my everything. My life is there only to serve you. If I give up my life, I'm no worry if I give up my life. I'm not worried about that. But I'm only worried who is going to give you pleasure? Who is going to serve you? And how are you going to enjoy those amorous pastimes without me? I'm the one who knows fully, completely, every of your mood. I know completely. Therefore, I'm not worried for my life, but I'm only worried how you going to get pleasure. Therefore, specifically, she uttered this word, Raman Preshtaha. Raman Preshta. Raman means amorous pastimes. Who is going to serve you with those pastimes, Krishna? Who's going to do this? Krishna asked a question there. So, what if Krishna asks a very interesting question here. If I'm distressed, because Radhani said, you will not able to partake of this amorous delight, and you will lament in grief remembering me. You will not able to partake in those pastimes, that delight when I'm with you. Then you will lament in grief and remembering me. That is causing me pain. Not that I am suffering or I want to give up my life, but even though I want to give up my life, I don't want to give up because I know you will lament in grief. And who's going to serve you and please you with these pastimes? I'm only worried for that. Krishna said, if I'm distressed, then what is this? What is it to you? How does this matters to you if I'm in distress? To answer to this, she says, Preshtaha, hey Preshta, Anath Raman Preshtaha. You are my dearmost one. You are my soul lover. You and only you. So any distress you might feel multiplies a millionfold in my heart and gives me much more pain. You are in distress. You are asking me this question. Really? What is up to you? If I'm in distress, you asking this question. So here my reply, you are Preshtaka. You are my lover. I only love you. Everything is there for you. Oh Krishna, oh Sham Sundar. If you in distress, I will feel huh, how much? Well, it multiplies a millionfold distress in my heart if I see you in distress. Haran, Anath Raman Krishna. Kwasi Kwasi Mahabhuja. I cannot tolerate that you undergo any suffering even after my demise. I don't want that. That's why I might suffer, but I don't want to give up my life because I know you'll be in grief if I will suffer. This is the reason you should mercifully give me your darshan and remove my suffering and bring me close to you. I'm not saying I should come close to you. No, no, no. It's different. Bring me close to you. She's manifesting a submissive mood here, which is not her nature. Also, try to understand this point. Radharani mood is always leftist mood, Bhamya Bhav, where Krishna is submissive to Radharani. But here we see Dakshin Bhav. She's submissive to Krishna. This is not natural, unnatural. Why this is unnatural? Shri Baldev Vidyabhushan Prabhu, he wrote in his great book Siddhant Ratna one verse, Aishwarya Nishtanam Madhurya Prakashatam Saraswati Pravad Gauntasi Viray Vismay Vipade Cha Saraswati Eva Pravasa. Very important point. In Siddhant Ratna, he said, in India, there is a confluence of three rivers, Ganga, Jamuna, and Saraswati. Where? At Prayag. If you go there, you'll see three rivers meeting together. But we always see only two rivers together. We see the meeting of Ganga and Jamuna. We don't see Saraswati there. Why? That doesn't mean Saraswati is not there. Saraswati is there. But the river Saraswati is undercurrent. Whereas Ganga and Jamuna can be seen, can be visualized. But Saraswati is undercurrent. But on special occasions, people can see also Saraswati. Huh? What? That's not correct. What? On special occasions like Amavasya, full moon, or new moon, we see three rivers flowing together. Saraswati, which is undercurrent, manifest. Huh? on the layer, huh? On the top. Similarly, Viray, Vismay, Vipadecha, Saraswati Eva Pravasa. Three conditions. The opulence of Krishna is manifested more than his sweetness, in three conditions. Viray means separation, Vismay in astonishment, Viray, Vismay, Vipadecha in calamity. These are three conditions, three situations, sorry, where gopis seek protection from Krishna and also manifesting submissive mood. Separation, astonishment, and calamity. In Gopi Geet, Vishwa Jalapayad, Vyala Raksha, gopis are singing in this Gopi Geet. Oh Krishna, you saved us from snake, you saved us from this danger, you save us from that danger. What does this mean? They are considering Krishna to Supreme Lord. They are highlighting the opulence of Krishna, whereas they are totally immersed in sweetness of Krishna, Madhure. No, it's a special circumstance. It's a circumstantial. It's not natural, unnatural. Viraha. In that separation mood. Similarly, in this, the scene which we are hearing, when Radharani is lamenting, Hanath, Raman Preshta, Kwasi Kwasi Mahabhuja, she's in separation. And in the separation, she's saying, I'm your maid servant. Dasyasya karpadne me, sakhe darshan sinidhim. I'm your dasi, I'm your maid servant. Extend your darshan to me. That's in separation. Did ever Radharani can speak this word? She spoke this word in the meeting, in the union with Krishna? No. In the union, in meeting, she would never say like this, that I am your maid servant. And please extend your darshan to me. In the union, she's always sulky. You have to pacify me. You have to pacify me. Understand? But in separation, only circumstantial. She's reflecting this mood. Kwasi Kwasi Mahabhuja. Oh, great arm one. Long arm one. Oh. Krishna again asked, how shall I able to protect your life, which is escaping from your body? Radharani replied, Mahabhuja, you have mighty arms. Your two arms are like a Sanjeevani, a life-giving tonic, which can revive one from death. I'm dying, so I want these two arms. Just like you used to embrace me before. Give that embrace to me. Bring me close to you. See the mood, what she's saying? Bring me close to you. And in the union, Krishna, you have to come close to me. In separation, somebody say, bring me close to you. She's saying, I'm your fallen maid servant. I spoke. I'm sorry I said you earlier that Krishna, I can't walk. Please lift me or make me sit on your shoulder. I'm sorry I said these words. I should have not said this word. Why I did this? And because of that, you disappeared. I'm lamenting now. I'm your maid servant. I'm your maid servant. I will never speak these words again. Krishna, please extend your darshans to me. So, many more things to say. I'm seeing the clock, it's almost time. But this is the origin, the appearance of Sri Radha Ramanji. When Radharani in separation, the tears from her eyes. In separation, she's calling out, Hanath Raman Prishta, Radha Raman. Raman Prishta. That's Sri Radha Raman. In the same channel, I mean, in the same line, Shri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, Guna Manjari, those tears of Radharani, those separation of Radharani went reflect 100 times more in Guna Manjari. And she shed tears of separation on Shaligram. Shri Radha Ramanji manifested. Shri Radha Ramanji manifested. And Radharanji prayed, Mahabhuja, O mighty arm one, Krishna embraced Radharani in such a way that Radha Ram Hidayam, the black complexion, Ang Shamli Tamale, Shamli Krita Kanchana, that the complexion of Krishna even merged golden complexion in him. That's the form, that's the Swarup of Shri Radha Ramanji. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bo. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bo. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bo. One more time. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bo. 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 Jai Jai Radha Raman. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bo. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bo. Radha Raman Hari Bo. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bo. Radha Raman, Jai Jai Radha Raman. Jai Jai Radha Raman, Jai Jai Radha Raman. Jai Jai Radha Raman, Jai Jai Radha Raman. Jai Radha. Oh Jai Jai Radha Raman, Pyaro Radha Raman. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. Bolo bolo, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Clapping, everyone. Come on. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo. Bolo 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 bolo. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Oh Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. Bolo Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Oh Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo. Oh Hari Bo, Hari Bo, Hari Bo, Hari Bo. Hari Bo. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Hello, Shri Radha Raman Lal ki, Shri Madhendrapuri Pad ki. श्री श्रीनिवास आचार्य प्रभु की निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे। हरि हरि बोल लाउडली। निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि। If you don't speak Hari Hari Bol and raise hand, more lockdown and you have to stay 6 months at home. Okay? Nitai Gaur Pemanande Hari Hari Bol. Thank you. No, no. I'm going to resume soon. Hare Krishna.